Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Be signed into your Apple ID and enable Apple Intelligence. Next, open Image Playground and import 1.5 reference pictures. These guide style and composition. Once done, set your target aspect ratio. Choose 16:9 for landscape or 1:1 for square, and enter a focused prompt describing subject, mood, and key colors. Make sure to pick whether you want photorealistic or stylized output. That choice affects model constraints and preserve versus edit behavior. Now you'll refine the edit by combining masks, layers, and parameters. Create a subject mask to protect areas you want unchanged, then add a style overlay using a reference image. Once done, set the edit strength between 0, 0 and 1. 0, start with 0. 5 to balance original and new content. Make sure to tweak lighting, texture, color balance, and depth sliders to harmonize the result. If composition needs change, reposition or scale the mask subject and rerun a quick preview to evaluate. Finish by exporting at the correct resolution and file format. Choose PNG for transparency or JPG for smaller size. Save iterative checkpoints so you can revert if a later change degrades the image. Once done, run final adjustments on sharpness and noise reduction inside Playground or an external editor. If you see strange artifacts or mismatched textures, reduce the edit strength, refine the mask edges, or simplify the prompt. This usually cures overfitting without losing creative intent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.